We're going to install this wig using no glue, just freeze spray. And we also going to use the freeze spray for the ball cap method. Be sure to go around the ear so you could get secure ball cap. Let it dry or blow dry it. Next, cut your cap, all the excess cap off. Be sure to cut around the hairline so that nothing is visible. It just look like complete scalp underneath your wig. Next, clean the skin with 91% alcohol. This is going to make sure whatever you use to stick your wig down actually sticks. And this is my Crimp Cutie, y'all. This is what I use to style my wig. Check them out on Instagram. Now we're going to use our lace tape. This is going to secure our install. You could use it in front or behind your hairline, whatever you prefer, whatever is easier for you to use so that it is not visible. But I do recommend when you get to the sides, as you see like I did, you bring it up in front of your hairline because the sides tend to lift up faster than anything. Now I'm just going to use my bronzer to lightly tap on the tape to reduce the shine. And you want to put like just a little bit, close to none, because you don't want to take away the stickiness from your lace tape. Now we're going to take the freeze spray, spray it inside the wig before you install the wig so it can already be ready to stick when you put it on. And just make sure you line it up correctly with your hairline so that everything fits perfectly. Now I'm just adjusting and getting everything situated in the right place before I tend to stick it down. And next, I'm going to use this comb to basically like press the lace and everything in place. Now that I have the wig where I want it to go, it's time for me to press it down and make it stick. The freeze spray works like magic. As you can see, I'm not using any heat, any blow dryer. It's so fast drying, it just literally dries in a matter of minutes. So you got to make sure you move quickly with this stuff. And I also call it magic melt because you're going to see when I take my wrap off how it just magically melted into my skin. And any place where you can still see lace at, that means it's not stuck. So all you need to do is go back, spray a little freeze spray on that part, and wrap it up again. So now I'm making my baby hairs. Baby hairs can be made however you want. You just cut small pieces of hair. You use your finger and you use the comb to swerve it back into place where you want it to go. And you see me laying down the lace on the edges. Anywhere that lace is still up, all you have to do is spray some freeze spray on it and lay it back down. So with my baby hairs, I'm just going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Just go and cut little small pieces and go back with the freeze spray and spray anywhere where the wig still isn't completely stuck down. So now everything is stuck. So we take our wrap off and we see the after look. It looks amazing, yes. But now I need to add baby hairs. So we're going to use the Age Gel, Quick Blue Age Gel. And it's called Quick Blue because it moves quickly, y'all. So make sure you swerving them baby hairs like you got something to lose. Yeah, and get it done. Just like that. And there's no really certain way to do your baby hairs. It's just whatever you prefer and however you like them. I like to swerve mine back using my finger and the comb until I think it look cute. And that's it. And then I add a little bronzer or powder makeup, whatever you prefer, on top just to blend everything in with my skin good. Add a little concealer on your part. It's just basically going to define your part for you. Do one last layer of freeze spray. It's kind of going to seal the deal and make sure everything is stuck and in place and not going anywhere. And this is the after look after I took my wrap off. It's so cute. And again, my hair was styled with my Crimp Cutie. You can find them on Instagram at Crimp Cutie. And yes, I was so cute. Custom wig, custom color, everything by me, Trina Da Dreamweaver. You can find me on Instagram, basically all the social sites with that name, TrinaDaDreamweaver.com.